Hey Nick Squad, welcome back to my channel, and I appreciate you guys showing up today. And if it's your first time here, thank you so much for watching. I am gonna be taking you guys through this baby shower cake that I decorated and I attended the event. So just go ahead and watch while I put this cake together. As you may have noticed, it's pink and white, so it's a girl. Ooh la la. Anyways, so the client selected this design, and it was a sister that I was speaking to, and they wanted to surprise the mother to be. So this was all a secret, guys, and we went ahead, covered them, accompanying cupcakes for them, and we set up the event along with